For Storm Team Weather, here is Chief Meteorologist Aaron Ayers, sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, I just had to check and make sure that it is September and not December here in the Concho Valley. Do you realize that in December, our average high in December is 60 degrees? That's our average high. We were actually below that today, this afternoon here in the Concho Valley. What does remain for us is the flood threat and more showers and storms coming for the Concho Valley in the days ahead. And then we are going to keep those cool temperatures for us, with temperatures in the 80s by the end of the 7-day forecast, lows in the 50s and 60s overnight into tomorrow morning. Here's what we saw today, a high of 78, and we'll talk about that in just a minute because that was actually at midnight last night. That's when we got up to 78, but we were in the low 50s through much of the day and into our afternoon after that cold front came through. We average around 90 degrees this time of the year. Our average low around 66, so below average for us today thanks to the clouds and the cold front that came through. Here's a look at those temperatures over the past 24 hours. Look where we came from midnight, roller coaster down into the 60s, into the 50s, and we were actually cooler than where we normally average for December here in the Concho Valley this afternoon. That's kind of shocking. I was out and about this afternoon thinking it really looks like it could be snowing here, but thankfully it's not. We did get quite a bit of rain here in the Concho Valley. We got a little over 3.5 inches at San Angelo at Mathis Field. The rest of these are West Texas mesonet sites here in the Concho Valley. Wall picked up well over 4 inches of rainfall. Merton at 3.5 inches. Junction a little over 2 inches today. So many of us got quite a bit of rainfall, and that has led to this. Flash flood watch for many of our southern counties here in the Concho Valley, the counties in green. This is for possible flooding through tomorrow at 1 o'clock. We're going to watch for possible flooding of roads, secondary roads, and rivers and stream areas. So if you're around those rivers and streams, just keep in mind that they may flood, especially as we're expecting more rain on our Thursday. As we go into Friday and Saturday, we'll keep it at a 20%, a 30% on Sunday, a slight chance as we go into our Monday. Looking at the radar right now, not seeing much of anything, just some light drizzle in and around Tom Green County. And as we go into our high-res futurecast, going to keep that chance for some light drizzle overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, with some more showers becoming possible as we go into early morning Thursday. Some embedded thunderstorms could also be possible for us as we go into Thursday afternoon across the Concho Valley. And as we go into our Thursday evening, the rain starts to leave us by about 9 o'clock, leaving us with cloudy conditions across much of the Concho Valley. As we go into our Saturday, getting upwards of 88 degrees here in San Angelo, things starting to want to dry out a little bit as we go into Sunday. A little bit wetter for us as a little more energy comes through the Lone Star State. That could ramp up some showers and thunderstorms here, with temperatures near 86 degrees on Sunday. As we go into Monday, looking at 84 degrees, and things starting to dry out for us as we go towards Tuesday, with middle 80s, plenty of sunshine for us as we go into next Wednesday. I know what you're thinking. You're seeing a lot of green. That's our European model, and it is trending a little bit wet, but it's not the favored model. I think things are going to be pretty much dry for us as we go into next week. But tonight, getting down to 51 degrees, cloudy with some scattered thunderstorms possible overnight tonight. As we go into our Thursday, getting upwards of only 64 degrees with thunderstorms and rain throughout the Concho Valley. A 70% chance of thunderstorms, winds out of the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And as we go into the next 5 days here in the Concho Valley, we'll keep that chance for showers and thunderstorms through Friday, and then we'll start tapering that off as we go into the weekend, turning a little more dry and a little bit warmer as we go into the 80s, and a little more sun as we go into next week. We'll be back on KSAN News.